Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn your printer and scanner as a photocopier machine. So let's begin. So here I have a printer that is option L8050, and this printer comes without a scanner, and here my scanner, and this scanner and printer is connected with the same PC. So now here I want to show you how you can just by clicking only one button, and this will scan your documents and directly print using printer instantly. So let's begin. So firstly go to any web browser and search for iCopy. Search for this software called iCopy and go to this website link and download it from this website. Now, after you have downloaded and installed this free application, now let's open it. Now it's time to select the printer and scanner. To select the scanner, just click here, choose scanner, and select your scanner. If you have multiple scanner installed in your system, just select your respective scanner and click OK. Now select the printer that you want to use by clicking here, printer. Since I have already selected the printer, so this is showing the selected printer. Just click here if you want to select the printer, and from here select the printer, and on the below just click on print to set as a default printer. Now here you can scan and print as a grayscale, and print color, print as a text, and you can set the paper size here and number of copies you can type here. Now to scan, just place the documents into your scanner. Here I placed my certificates into the scanner. Now just click on this button to start the scanning, and it is started the scanning. You can see here the scanner is scanning the documents. And once the scanning is done, this will start the printing, which you can see here. Instantly it is printing without the needing to save into my PC. So this is how you can instantly scan and print by clicking only one button in Windows computer, and make your scanner and printer work like a real photocopier machine. So thanks for watching my video.